look so crusty, man. I look so crusty, musty, dusty. You know everything, man. I didn't get myself together, man. Alright, good morning, beloveds. It's your girl, Ty. Welcome back to Live with Ty. As you guys can see, I look a little bit crusty, a little bit musty, a little bit dusty right now, but that's because I literally just woke up and put on my robe. It's like 12 something, so it's not like early morning, but this is like my morning. This is how my morning has been since being home. So I don't really sleep during the night like that, not because like he's keeping me up, but just because I just have a lot of energy during the night because I sleep until like 12, 1 o'clock during the day. So that's why I'm looking like this right now. I'm about to go eat some breakfast. Today it's March 2nd. I don't know, I told you guys yesterday, I don't really have any itinerary for these videos, but I'm going to make them not boring. I'm going to try to make them not boring for you guys. One of the things that I was saying that I wanted to do since I officially started my 30-day cleanse of social media today is I'm going to be more purposeful with my days, purposeful with my life. And yeah, so I'm gonna start to read the book that I was telling you guys yesterday about that I really wanted to reread again since I started it in the summertime. I'm gonna show you guys what book that I'm reading and write down some goals that I have for myself for today. And you guys see these boxes? I got 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, and I think that's it. I don't think I have anything else at the door, but I'm going to be opening these boxes today. You guys are gonna see what's inside, and I'm gonna try to assemble them as well. And yeah, that's all I have so far, so I'm gonna go eat some breakfast. I'll meet you guys back in the office in a moment. Alright guys, so I'm back now. As you guys can see, I got myself together a little bit. Just put on this little sweater, a little t-shirt, try to do something with my hair, and I wash my face and I brush my teeth so I'm not looking as crusty or as dusty anymore. So yeah, let me show you guys the book that I'm going to start rereading. Queen Afua, A Sacred Woman, A Guide to Healing the Feminine Mind, Body, and Soul. Now, you guys see that I have all of these post-it notes all throughout the book. Literally all throughout the book, because I really read this, you guys. It is a pretty thick, it is a pretty thick book, and it took me, I want to say it probably took me like 2 or 3 months to get through it all. I need to start looking at the lens. Hi! It's like, but I'm not about to be on social media, and I have like a lot of time throughout the day, so I'm gonna try to get through this whole entire book again by March 31st, and I'll let you guys know an update on that date on how far along I've gotten. I've already read through the book, so I know like what is like the material that's within the book and what the book reads and everything, but it's something about rereading something that gets you to start like really feeling it and get you in that momentum to start doing the things that you want to do for yourself. So that is why I am rereading it. I feel like I lost track, like I was on this good momentum, and then like, you know, I got pregnant, I started feeling down and depressed again, and I just kind of lost my sight of tunnel vision with that. It is really a great read. I think it is definitely for people who are ready to step into their whole self. It talks about a lot of stuff, and if you're not really ready to hear some of the things that are within this book, it's not gonna like fulfill any purpose for you. It's like you're gonna be reading for no reason. If you're ready to do some life-altering changes, to see some good in your life and to start to manifest the things that you wish for and all that type of stuff, then this is a great read for you. I also have my planner. Cute. I got this from TJ Maxx. It was so cute. I like how it has like the stars and the zodiac signs on it. What I started to do yesterday was take out my planner, go to March, and I wrote down some goals that I have for the month. So one of the goals is that I do my 30-day cleanse, my 30-day social media cleanse, media break, and then implement month-long self-care. So self-care not meaning like I'm gonna go get a facial massage every single day, but self-care can mean maybe taking an extra shower throughout the day, or maybe going, like yesterday I went to go get my Starbucks coffee, maybe buying a candle, lighting a candle, reading my book. Like, there are like a lot of things that you can do self-care wise that doesn't cause you to have to like spend money on or feel luxurious about. So I'm going to be implementing a month-long self-care to myself. That is one of my goals. So for those of you who don't know, I am a spa owner. My spa name is called Biana Beauty. Biana stands for me. B is beauty in Japanese. So when you guys see the logo, you'll understand like the concept that I was going for. But yeah, since I've been home, I haven't really been posting as much on my page. I haven't really engaged at all. I haven't really even been doing like my own self-care. Like, can you guys see? This is how my face has pretty much been throughout the whole entire pregnancy. It just looks so bad on camera. It's really just a lot of dark marks that I have to, you know, I have to get rid of. I will be purchasing from some black-owned companies that I know of to like tone down some of the hyperpigmentation and some of the few blemishes that I'm having. Like, it's mainly hormonal because it's really on my chin. Like, it's around like this area and I hate it. But yeah, I'm not gonna like stress about it because I don't really feel like I have skin insecurities. Like, I don't feel like self-conscious about my skin because this is how I wear it every single day. And I don't care. I know I have hyperpigmentation. I know I have acne scars. I know I have like minor breakouts and stuff, but I don't care. This is still how I choose to like walk out into the world and like showcase myself. I know it's not the greatest being that I'm an esthetician, but my progress is what is going to like be significant. The work that I put in to get my skin looking red inside again. So I also did like a little mini journal entry for the first of the month, and so I'm gonna do that because I have like these little spaces in here for like each day of the month. So I'm gonna do like little mini journal entries, and I actually have, this is my actual journal, and it says make it happen on the front. And so, you know, during the summertime I was really going ham, guys. Like, I was writing full page journal entries. You guys see all this? Do you see all this? This just makes me so happy to see like full pages like written on. The last journal entry that I did was let me see, was May 26, 2020. So that was the last one that I did. I'm actually gonna read all of these to just see what I was talking about, but I'm gonna start again. But I don't know if I'm gonna do daily. I think I'm gonna do like after each week I'm gonna write a journal entry about the week. That's how I'm gonna do that, because I'm doing these daily little mini entries, so it doesn't make sense to do daily mini ones and then daily long ones. So I'm gonna do like weekly journal entries in my journal book and then daily ones in my planner. I'll just keep this open because I'm about to write in that. I guess I can write in it now actually. Some things that I have for goals for myself for today. I love this pen because it has like a little flashlight. Do you guys see that? And so when I'm writing in the dark, it could be like, ah, 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 ah. Okay, so I just finished writing in my planner like some daily goals that I want to get done today. I'm not gonna read all of it because it's none of your business. It's like, one thing that is significant that I put on my list for today is to be positive all day long. I have a tendency to just, it's not like I go searching for something to complain about. It just like resonates with me. When I see something out of place, automatically have to say something about it. So I think I am going to be as positive a positive Nancy today. That's what I'm gonna be today. And I'm gonna hold myself to that. I'm gonna go open these boxes, see, show y'all what I got and stuff. Let me bite this apple. Some people don't like green apples, but I like them. A little ASMR for you guys. All right, so I ordered these like, okay. Oh man, it's a freaking workout. I ordered these boxes like a month ago, and they've just been sitting in the office because I haven't like had the energy to get up and open them and make a video about it. So doing it now. So your girl got her some studio lights because I want the quality of the content that I'm making, like the video that I record, whether it's on our YouTube channel or it's a video that I'm making for my business or something that I'm putting together for my Instagram. I want the video picture to look really, really nice. So a lot of the times it only really looks nice when I have natural lighting, and this house is pretty old, so it doesn't have a lot of natural lighting in it. Like my desk is literally in front of a window, so that's why the picture's looking as good as it does now. But if I was to make a video in my room, I'm gonna assemble it off camera and then I'm gonna show you guys like how everything looks or whatever. Okay. This is a desk that I got for myself because that first month I was doing a lot of stuff in the bed. So this is a desk that I can just put like when I'm in the bed with Zamir and stuff, or don't really feel like even though the office is literally right across the corner, like my room just feels like such a vibe to me, so I don't be wanting to leave it. I think this is very convenient. Have like I can rewrite and stuff. I can have like some tea or coffee right here, and I can just be in the comfort of my own bed, you know. And then lastly, you guys, since your girl is trying to be, you know, I'm trying to be up there. I'm trying to be up there with, you know, some influencers, because I really feel like I have a message. Like I feel like my vibe and my personality is so like attractable, and like people don't even know who I am because I don't put myself out there. Like if I really put myself out there, I feel like I would make a lot more friends. I would have like a community that can interact with me, because really I have some followers, but like they're like non-engaging followers, because it's like I get the views, but I don't get the engagement, you know what I mean? Like, and I don't like that. So that's giving me stalker vibes. That's what it's giving me, because you just want to know my everyday life. You want to see what I got going on in my everyday life with my kids and my boo, but you don't want to talk to me? Like, that's weird, bro. That shit is weird. But this is a selfie stick. I got this tripod. A lot of people were talking about it on YouTube, and it comes with, where is it? I know you fucking lying. It's supposed to come with this remote, you guys, but I don't see it. You guys, I found it. I'm gonna try to assemble these studio lights, and I'm gonna be right back so you guys can see the quality difference when I had the natural lighting and when I have the studio lighting. So I finally assembled these two studio lights. So this is us. Like, let me move this right here. This is us and the natural lighting, you guys. I like natural lighting. I really like natural lighting. So like even when we move, I want our house to have like a lot of large windows so all that natural lighting can, you know, come through. So this is what it looks like in the natural lighting, and then now this is what it's about to look like with these studio lights. This is what it looks like with the studio lighting, and you know what it's giving me, you guys? It's giving me like, what is it called? Lights, camera, action. It's giving me like we're filming for a documentary. Like if I had my chair, I'll be sitting here like but I like this. What do you guys think? Like this is like, it just looks so like professional. Come here, boo. Let me see. Come. Let me see.
Huh?
Come so I can show you. Alright, you're not getting the video.
Yes.
Come on. This is me and Zayla. Like we could take some photography pictures in here. You like these lights? Mommy likes them too. Guys, this is giving me like very filmmaker vibes and I love it.
1, 2, 3.
I would probably only use these to film a video if I'm doing like some type of like skincare. Zayla, please. I'm trying to record, boo. Can I finish? We can both do it, okay? Come over here. But yeah.
Mom, I don't do my own.
You wanna do your own?
Yeah.
Can you do it after mommy though?
Okay.
Alright. So yeah, this is giving me very like filmmaker vibes and I love it. I love the look of it. I probably won't use these, like I probably won't replace these with my natural lighting because I still love my natural lighting, especially like when I'm doing vlogs and stuff. But when I'm doing like skincare routines or like taking pictures for the kids or myself, I can take a shoot like with my little clicker, Bluetooth clicker. I can be like
Mommy, you can take the picture with
I can give some looks. Huh?
You can take the one click.
With one click?
Yeah.
Okay, boom, yeah. But yeah, so this is how this is like how it's looking. Drop down in the comment section below how you guys think that it looks. Like if you prefer the studio lights over the natural lighting. Do you prefer certain videos with the studio lights? Drop them in the comment section below. And yeah, so I'm not gonna drag this out too long. Like I said, these aren't gonna be like long videos. What I am going to do today though is write down some video ideas, so I'm not going every single day just waking up and, you know, winging it. So, and really good quality content for you guys. So drop down in the comment section below some things that you guys would like to see throughout my social media cleanse for the next 30 days.
Guys, subscribe in our channel. And subscribe in our channel.
Yes, subscribe to our channel, Live with Ty. Also subscribe to our family channel if you guys aren't hip to it. It's called HT Family. I'm gonna put it in the tags up there.
Subscribe and turn the bell up there.
Oh my goodness! How did you remember? Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video.